morning, all of you. Yesterday, we have completed everything in the material chapter about EOQ. Then the associate cost in EOQ, if they give discount, how will you do it? And then what else we have studied with discount, and yes, how to calculate the cost of the purchase. What all add less. So I'm revising that in the coming 5 minutes by sharing the screen. And if it is not clear anything, ask me. If it is clear, we will start with all the methods of stock ledgers, how you have to maintain, and stock levels, and the combined problem of the past exam. Okay, right. Everything is clear or not? Any doubt in yesterday's class, dear students? Just scroll your material, and if you need any help, tell me. Okay. All right. AC, all clear. That's the message. Economic order quantity is the quantity where ordering cost and carrying cost are least and equal. Okay. Right. At EOQ, ordering cost is equal to carrying cost and least and equal. Now, what is A? Annual requirement of the raw material. What is B? Or B, or some of the books are also writing it as O. So O is ordering cost per order, right? Okay. And then C is the carrying cost per rupee per annum. And the formula is under root 2AB by C that we have proved here. How do you get? At EOQ, ordering cost and the carrying cost are same. So when you equate that, you get to prove this formula under root 2AB. Then I said, anytime they ask you problem, purchase price, what is the carrying cost? Huh? Cost of holding the inventory, Q by 2. Anytime if you purchase Q by 2 will be there in stock with you, multiplied by cost per unit. Okay. And what is ordering cost? Ordering cost is A by Q. A by Q gives you the number of order. A is कि कितना खरीदना है. Q is how much you are buying at a time. So I want to buy 10,000 units, and at a time I'm buying 1,000 units. So 10 is the ordering cost multiplied by B, that is per order. Okay, right. EOQ. Now, so compare this. Instead of lot size, if they say no, don't buy 200, buy 4,000. Okay. If the cost is increasing, we will reject it. If the cost is same, we'll accept it. Now, when you purchase the goods, trade discount you should deduct first. Add toll, expense, freight, carriage, all included, right? So you will get your purchase cost. Normal loss is absorbed in good units. And yesterday's problem, you remember or not? They said that on total cost, 2% was other cost. So 98 concept we have done. Demurrage charges are not taken because they are the late picking charges. Cash discount is not recorded. Then we saw this formula. Yes. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock is raw material consumed. Divide by average stock of raw material. That is giving you raw material turnover ratio. And once you get the raw material turnover ratio, that oh, I wrote this reverse. Really? इसको change करो. Number of days, weeks, ये numerator में आएगा ना? Then only you'll get the correct answer. 365 days or 52 weeks or 12 months in the numerator, and denominator it is stock turnover ratio. And for that I gave you the this, and now we are doing the stock levels. Okay, right. What is the stock level? Look at the screen and write with me, all of you, very quickly. Then we'll take up some nice questions also today. Maximum level. Maximum level is that level of the stock key. After this, you will stop purchasing. Let us use this first. When your stomach is full, you stop eating now. Like that, this is the maximum level. Okay? So that is maximum level. What is the formula for the maximum level? Maximum level is, पहले levels देख लेते हैं चल. This is the highest level of the stock. Then below that we have the average level कि इतना normally we maintain. Okay? reorder level. Reorder level is that level ki chalo place the order. Now, below that comes your minimum level. Okay, when it is reorder level, you have placed the order. When it is minimum stock, you have to check कि जो reorder लिया वो वापस आया है नहीं. By mistake, the stock goes below the minimum danger level. Then it's time to do emergency purchases, right? And below the danger level, it is the zero level. Below the danger level, it is the zero level. Zero level is no stock, which generally doesn't happen. So these are all the stock levels. Write it so that you understand it. Okay, chalo. Now what I'm making you write is formulas. Reorder level. Okay, कब हम reorder करेंगे? Maximum usage into maximum lead time. Write down. ज्यादा से ज्यादा, see, you are using say 50,000 kg of raw material in 360 days or 365 days, that will be given. So what is raw material consumption per day? Is my example clear? 50,000 kgs you are using throughout the year. So what is per day? So maximum, how much you will use? Maximum lead time is number of days. How many days late you will order the material. Lead time is, yesterday also I explained this, the time you place the order and the time you receive the material. That is the lead time. Now, here the lead time is, it could be 6 days. कभी कभी अगर लेट हो गया तो it could be 9 days. Max 9 days में तो आ ही जाता है. तो 9 days is your maximum lead time. So late में late how many days? 9 days. How much maximum usage? This is your reorder point. When you have stock, it will go on for 9 days and per day is 100 units. 900 units है, place the order. Is the logic clear? I know this you will have to learn. Next is minimum level. What is minimum level? कम से कम stock you should maintain. Reorder level minus average usage or average consumption into the average lead time. Into the average lead time. This is minimum level. Okay. What is reorder level time to place the order? Maximum usage. You know, it's like being pessimist. ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना यूज होगा एक दिन में? लेट में लेट कितना लेट होगा? When your stock reaches that level, it's time to place the order. Reorder level. Minimum level. Reorder level minus average usage into average lead time. Right? Okay. This is the minimum level. Now, next is maximum level. Reorder level plus reorder quantity. Reorder quantity, if nothing given, dear students, you can use EOQ. Reorder level, जो ऊपर आपने निकाला, plus EOQ, okay, minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Please don't take screenshot and all, write it, I am saying, so that you learn it. Because the coming exam, the trend is including the last RTP, it is like they are giving this answer and they are asking you to find the missing bit. Reverse chal raha hai abhi. So maximum level. What is the maximum level of the stock? Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Now, what is the average stock level? Ma'am, it's easy. Maximum level plus minimum level divide by 2. Maximum level plus minimum level divide by 2. This is your reorder level. Right? Okay. Average. Average ऐसे ही निकालेंगे ना. Maximum minimum divide by 2. Or there is one more formula for this. You can use anyone in the exam. Minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. Minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. That is the average level. Next is the danger level. Danger level is minimum usage into minimum lead time. Now look at this. कम से कम every day 70 kgs of raw material is used. कम से कम it takes 6 days. So 7 6 420 units is like danger level. कम से कम इतना तो यूज हो ही जाएगा, तो you will go into zero stocks tomorrow. So danger level is the time to place immediate order. Danger level. Minimum usage into the minimum lead time. ठीक है? So these are the formulas to be used. I am sharing the screen now to show you. In our material also we have kept all this. See, why I'm sharing the material is you all have this material, you all have got free recorded lectures. So there in a very synced way, and so many times only they can ask you the significance also in the exam as theory question. That's why I'm doing it now. ये भी पूछ सकते हैं as a theory question. देखो, reorder level is what level of stock you should reach to place the order. Maximum usage into maximum lead time. Yes, or safety stock plus the lead time. What is safety stock, dear students? कि इतना stock तो minimum रहता है. Like I have 4 units, 3 are sold, again I get at least 1 unit is the stock which I will not sell, but it will be there, minimum. Safety stock. Level at which next purchase must be intimated by preparing a purchase requisition. That level is the reorder level. Maximum usage into maximum lead. What is minimum level? Reorder level minus average. Reorder level is maximum. In short, maximum minus average किए तो minimum आ गया. Lowest quantity of inventory to be always maintained to avoid stock out. Minimum investment in the raw material. Level to follow up on status. Reorder level पे ही we have placed the order. But by the time we go to minimum level, come on now, call up, check the mail, have the goods arrived or are they on the next transporter's office or what? So minimum level is an alert sign. Followed or not. Reorder level, minimum level. Now maximum level. Maximum is highest. इससे ज्यादा कोई फ्री में दे तो नहीं चाहिए मुझे, बस है, बहुत स्टॉक है मेरे पास. When reorder level, what is reorder level? Maximum usage into maximum time. Reorder quantity, EOQ buffer you have, minus minimum usage into minimum. I know you'll have to learn this. Maximum or upper limit on investment. Hence, it is the level beyond which raw material should not be piled up, right? Average is half of maximum plus minimum divided by 2, or minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. That is the EOQ. Maximum level is upper limit. It should not be piled up. Average stock is used for insurance. See, stock का insurance लेते हैं ना, तो कितना stock बताएं? Average stock insurance, or again stock you take bank loan, hypothecation and all. So for submitting in the banks and all, we always take average. Danger के लिए 3 formula है, पर ये use होता है minimum usage into minimum. Danger level is like alert sign at which emergency purchases should be made. Danger level पे अगर stock गया है तो चलो, always we place the order and get it from Madhya Pradesh. Let us now buy it from local, and danger से उतना तो खरीदो कि get it at least till the minimum level या ऐसे. Right. So these are all the levels. Look at this. Maximum level, up to which limit the stock should be there. Average level at which it is normally kept. Reorder level, when you need to place order. Reorder quantities, how much to buy. Minimum is at least how much to stock. Danger, okay. Emergency के लिए minimum usage into minimum lead time, and zero level. Okay, all clear? So with these are very simple problems. Let us take up the problems from the material and other also. बाकी भी करते हैं. Are you all putting a tick? How many problems are done in the study material? 1, 2, 3, 4, all we have done. They were all related to EOQ and stock levels and all. So right now we will take up this one. Yes. This yesterday we have done EOQ related all the problems. Now let us do the EOQ problems with the stock level. See, third time I am repeating maybe. Minimum stock is reorder level minus the average consumption. Maximum is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum. And average is maximum minimum divided by 2. Danger. Danger कुछ भी है. Average consumption into lead time or minimum consumption into lead time and so on. Okay, right. This one is very simple. You will be able to do it. Sixth one, I'm doing the seventh one. It is having all the details and this kind of question is asked in exam. Some books it might be sixth or seventh. Chalo. From the following, calculate reorder level, maximum level, minimum level and danger level. Danger level is minimum level into minimum consumption or average level into minimum consumption. कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. देखो दोनों दिए हैं. Average consumption into lead time or minimum into lead time. Yes, look at this on screen. Reorder quantity is to be calculated on the basis of cost of placing the order. O. Annual units. A. Purchase price. Annual storage cost. C. Average lead time is 10. Maximum is 15. Minimum is 5. Emergency is 4. Rate of consumption. Average is 15. Maximum is 20. Can we find the minimum? How can anyone say? Look at the screen and say. Yes, by the formula. Average is equal to maximum minimum divided by 2. By that we can use and we can calculate and do this. But a lot of writing practice is required. So let us take up the stock level 1 problem in our material. I'll give you all the details. Write down. This is illustration number 6 or 7. एक कोई किसी के पास पुराना होगा तो 6 नहीं तो 7. Chalo, write down. For the stock levels, first you have to find the EOQ. So they gave ordering cost as 20. Annual consumption as 5,000. Carrying cost as 50. Annual cost of the storage is, carrying cost is 5. Purchase price is equal to 50. Okay? Now first they have asked you to calculate what, dear students, EOQ. नहीं भी पूछे तो for stack EOQ or ROL. Are you all writing with me? Reorder level. कब आप order place करेंगे? When EOQ is there with you. फिर EOQ मंगाओ. Is EOQ is equal to under root 2AB by C. Under root 2, 5,000. B I am writing, but here we are writing O. तो यहाँ भी O ही लिखेंगे. Ordering cost 20 and carrying cost is 5. So check with me in the working note. We can write it as working note or as main answer. How much is it coming? EOQ कितना आ रहा है? 1 second. You can calculate faster than me and put it in the chat box. 5,000 into 2 into 20 divided by 5. This is 200 units. Is the EOQ or ROL? Reorder level. Done. Now, second is average consumption is given. Is maximum consumption or usage plus minimum usage divided by 2. So how much is given to you in question? Read the data. Annual consumption. Average consumption is 15. Maximum is 20. Minimum, I don't know, 2. So 30 is equal to 20 plus minimum. Minimum usage is 10 units. Is the working clear to all of you? Minimum usage is 10 units. Now let us start all the levels they have asked you. First one they have asked you is reorder level. Bar bolo. I told you, you all are super good at understanding. But now this is practice batch. So try to learn it. अभी तक तो सब clear था. But ये थोड़े से अगर formula हैं तो इसको learn कर लो. So that next 10 minutes I'm going to solving all the RTP, MTP problems. तब हम इसको अच्छे से apply कर सकें. So let us do the reorder level. Reorder level is place the order when it is maximum usage into maximum lead time. What is the maximum usage? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना units use हो रहा है? 20. How much is the maximum lead time? Maximum lead time is printed in the question. That is 15. 15 days. So 300 units. Late may late, 15 days it will take, and daily you may use less unit, but maximum 100% अगर fast production हो रहा है तो 20 units into 15 days. So when 300 units are there, this is the maximum stock. Place the order. Place the order. Reorder level. What is maximum level of stock? At maximum level, stop the purchases. Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. Are you all with me? समझ में आया? Reorder level. What is the reorder level? 300. What is the reorder quantity? EOQ. Reorder quantity is EOQ. 200. What is the minimum usage? अभी आपने working note में निकाला ना? Minimum usage 10. What is the minimum lead time? 5. 500 minus 50, 450. 450 units. I know थोड़ा सा technical है. Technical मतलब easy है, but repeat करना. Reorder level is maximum usage into maximum lead time. Maximum level is reorder level तो है, maximum तो stock है, उसके ऊपर reorder quantity भी है, minus the minimum usage to stop the purchases. So when you have 300 units in your godown, place the order. This is for your understanding. Place the order. Don't write it in exam, but अभी तो लिखो. 300 के ऊपर भी 150 units buffer are there. Stop purchases. Maximum limit आ गया है, अब नहीं खरीदना. Right. Third is minimum level. Minimum level is reorder level minus average consumption into average lead time. Minimum level. Reorder level. What is reorder level? 300 units. और logically देखो, reorder level is maximum into maximum or average. तो मैक्सिमम में से एवरेज माइनस किए तो मिनिमम ही आएगा ना. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. Reorder level minus average consumption 15 units. Average lead time is 10. So 150. Next is danger level. It's time to make emergency purchases. You know what is minimum level, dear students? Track the purchase. क्या हुआ, हमने ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर तो पहले ही प्लेस कर दिया जब रीऑर्डर लेवल था. So now track the purchase. And last one, danger level is average consumption or minimum consumption you can take into the danger level. Emergency lead time. Lead time for emergency. Ma'am, if this is not given, can we take minimum lead time? Yes. कम से कम कितने दिन में लगते हैं? What is average consumption? It's printed in the problem. 15 days. What is the lead time for the emergency purchases? It's given to you कि कम से कम अगर इमरजेंसी में भी खरीदने जाएं तो 4 days तो लगते हैं. An average 15 units are used, not days. 15 units are used. So this is 60 units. I'm pausing. Ask me if you have any doubt. Otherwise, now we are ready to go for combined problems. Please wait 1 second. Thank you for waiting. Is everything clear? Is it easy or not? Reorder level is maximum usage into maximum lead time. Maximum is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum. Minimum is reorder level minus average. And then danger level. I am telling you one thing, ma'am, if they don't give 4 days, can we take minimum consumption? I mean, say minimum days. Yes. Chalo, I know it's easy. Good, dear students. Chalo. So these kind of problems are there in the study material. Now, enough all the 3 levels we have done. So let us take up first all the RTPs. One by one, we will take all RTP problems and then the MTP. May 22 RTP is exactly what we have done yesterday, but let us see. I think if required, definitely we should solve it in writing. You say you want to do it or not. Open the RTPs. 4 RTPs are there with you. May 22, November 22, May 23, November 23. Yes. And nice. These are combined problems also. You will enjoy when we do it. Yeah, please look at the screen. Are you able to see? This is the May 22 RTP question number 1. RTP may always material chapter will be first one. Can you see that what I am showing? And you all have it. This problem is there in the study material also. We did yesterday orally, but I feel required we should do it in writing now. Sky & Co unregistered supplier purchased from Y Limited, which is registered. So we are unregistered. So obviously we will not take the ITC. So we'll add the GST also. Following information is available for 5,000 units purchased. For 2,50,000 trade discount minus कर देंगे. CGST and SGST no credit available because we are anyhow unregistered. So we will add cash discount, ignore करना है. Toll tax, freight, demurrage charges, add it. Commission, demurrage charges, sorry, this is like penalty, so we will not take. Commission, yes. Amount deposited minus the refund. For some containers in which I am getting my raw material, I have deposited 30,000, but I got refund 20. So we'll record it at 10,000. And other expenses is 2% of the total cost, including that expenses. Yeah. 20% of the material shortage is due to normal reasons. So 5,000 का 20%. आपके 1,000 units तो normal है. Payment of supplier is made in 21 days. So whether you will get the cash discount, answer is yes, but not to be recorded. You are required to calculate. Shall we do this problem? Yes, yes, yes. Chalo, in your notebook, write down and practice with me so that you don't have to practice again. And the same problem is there in study material also. May 22 RTP. This is May 22 RTP question. They have asked you to calculate statement of cost per unit of raw material. Dear students, you all remember that raw material ka jo normal loss hai, that is absorbed in good units. Yesterday I told you all this. Right. So very quickly, just particulars and amount is enough. Whatever we will not write, we will make a working for that. Shall we start together? सबके पास है? Particulars, amount, and this we can units for units. सबसे पहले cost of purchase. Write down all of you quickly. Cost of the purchase. 2,50,000 rupees में 5,000 units you have purchased. Minus the trade discount. Trade discount is not recorded in the books of accounts. Yes, it is customarily given. तो उसके बाद का प्राइस ही सीधा रिकॉर्ड होता है. Net purchase will only be recorded in the books. 2,25,000 में 5,000 units you have purchased. Now, add CGST plus SGST 12%. Now, the question is 12% of net or gross? Net. Trade discount is not recorded. So 2,25,000 into 12%. Ma'am, ऐसे question आते हैं इतने easy? Yes, they are very scoring. And even if you know the answer and everything, please do it in writing. So that I'm writing it together, 6%. You can write it separate also. After this, next they have asked you cash discount. We'll write a note. हाँ, अभी लिख लो, फिर बाद में अगर लगे कि भूल जाओगे तो इतना पेज छोड़ के नोट लिख दो. Cash discount and demurrage charges are not a part of purchase cost, hence not recorded above. Cash discount and demurrage charges, these are not a part of the purchase cost, hai na? Hence we have not recorded above. Likh diya. Okay. Shall we add the toll tax, what we have paid? Yes. All of you know toll tax. Then we have paid on road freight and insurance. Then we have paid commission. Then amount deposited for containers and all, minus the amount refunded. So what is your actual expense? 10,000. That you added. Now other expenses. Other expenses are 2% of the total cost. Can we say let the total cost be 100 and 2% is other cost? तो जो अभी तक का cost है will be 98%. Look at the screen and tell me, is it clear or not? Isn't it very easy? The speed is increased since yesterday. All the other cost is 98% because these other expenses are 2% of 100. 2% of 100. तो बाकी सब cost का total करो और बोलो faster than me. Do the total and share your answer. कितना आ रहा है? 2,94,000 is 98%. So 2% is how much? Are you all getting? 98% is total cost until now, 2,94,000. So 2% kitna hai? It is coming to 6,000, and so the total cost is 3 lakh. Done? And now, how many units there is shortage? 20%. I'm writing that here. 5,000 units mein 20%. 1,000 units shortage. It's normal loss. So 4,000 is the good units. Total quantity purchased minus the normal loss is the cost of good units. So total cost 3,000 divided by 4,000 is the number of units. So what is the cost per unit? 3 lakh divided by 4,000. 75 per unit. Tell me, will you score full marks if they ask you this question for 5 marks, 6 marks, 8 marks? Any confusion anywhere? GST part is clear or not? GST clear hai? Right. Shall I go to the next problem? May 22 is over. Let us go to the November 22. November 22 is a beautiful problem combining the EOQ, the stock levels and discount. These are the recent ones asked. So let us do that. Second. November 22, and this is all in question number 1 only. Material is always your question number 1. Concept is all over major except some part of LIFO, FIFO I have to share. That I'll do it later. Yes. Can you see November 22 paper? Yes, RTP. Tanishq. Materials Private Limited. Yes. Produces a product. Nothing will come beyond this. I'm telling you. I'm giving the core concept and all the practice. तो ये ऐसे लेवल के प्रॉब्लम करके जाओ और राइटिंग में करो. Promise no student is sitting on the bench and bed and orally watching all the videos की जल्दी ऐसे मत करो. कोई shortcut मत करो. ठीक है? चलो. The consumption of the raw material is 210 to 350. Procurement time. See. Now procurement time is 5 to 9 days. 5 is minimum, 9 is the higher side, and in between somewhere you will have the average, right? Okay. Now the ordering cost is what? 200. That is your C. Storage cost 1% per month भी है storage cost और 2 per unit भी है and 365 days. Right. You are required to calculate the economic order quantity. तो पहले EOQ निकाल लो, फिर रीऑर्डर लेवल, हाँ कम से कम 210 यूनिट्स यूज हो रहे हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 350 यूनिट्स यूज हो रहे हैं. So with that you can get the average consumption. And these, yeah, and these are all, per weeks. So you have to calculate accordingly. Max reorder, maximum, minimum, average, number of orders, A by Q, total inventory ka cost, pura, purchase, ordering, carrying. If he is willing to give 1% discount, whether we'll go. If the answer is yes or no, तो additional discount कितना देना है. Mark this problem as super duper important. इसमें मतलब everything is covered up, everything. Yeah, and take a screenshot if you are not having this. I will solve it now. This is November 22 RTP problem. ले लिया आपने. Shall we start? Even for the reorder levels, always first start with the EOQ, because for the this reorder level is a plus reorder quantity. So what is reorder quantity? EOQ. तो ये सब लगेगा आपको. And this is like this much material is used for 7 days. So per day, how much is the material used and how many days are required? Can you calculate? I hope you are getting. What is the minimum usage per day, maximum usage per day, and how many days are required? So we always want the consumption in per day. So we can calculate that. ठीक है? चलो हम calculate करके रखेंगे इसको. First we will do the EOQ. Nice problem. Even if we are going little slow, it's okay. Check करो और अच्छे से करो इसको. November 22 RTP. Question number 1. Yes, for EOQ, let us see what detail they have given. Ordering cost is 200. Carrying cost is 1% per month of the purchase price. 100 है purchase price, उसका 1% multiplied by 12 plus 2 per unit. Take your time. 100 is the purchase price. Carrying cost is 1% of the purchase price per month. So for 12 months and 2 per unit extra. ठीक है? So it's coming to how much? 14. And now annual consumption. Please check in the problem. Be careful whether they give 360 days or 365 days. So they have given you 210 kgs are consumed. Minimum. Minimum consumption. ये पूरे workings हैं. Minimum consumption is 210 kgs for 7 days. तो per day कितना आएगा? 30 kg. Maximum 50 kgs. Are you all with me? 210 kgs for 7 days. So what is this? 30 kgs per day. 50 kgs per day. What is the average consumption per day? 30 plus 50 by 2, 40 kgs per day. ये तो clear है. And did they give you how many days are there? Nothing given means simply you can take how many days? 365 days. So what is the annual consumption? Annual consumption is equal to 365 days into 40 per day. 365 into 40. Anyone is feeling there's too much data to process? Then I will pause. You read the question. I've just done all the workings. What are missing? Always we need the maximum usage or maximum consumption per day. Per day. So if they give you per week, divide by 7. If they give you per month, multiply by 12. Like that you'll have to do. Kabhi kabhi to manufacture 1 unit, 2 raw materials are required. Like super and grow kal ka problem. ठीक है? Now, can we calculate the EOQ? EOQ is also called as what? Reorder level. Sorry, reorder quantity. EOQ is equal to reorder quantity to 2AB by C. What is A? Annual consumption. B ki jagah you can write O. What is O? Ordering cost. What is C? Carrying cost. 14,600 into 200 into 2 divide by 14. 645.86 and this is number of units. So we'll take 646 units. 646 units is your EOQ. Chale? And now all the other level details are given to you. If you want, I will write and share with all of you. Minimum lead time is given to you 5 days. Maximum lead time is given to you 9 days. Can we calculate average lead time? 5 plus 9 divided by 2, 7 days. चलो ये भी हो गया. बस अब तो आपको क्या पूछा है? Levels. So let us do the B bit answer. This was A bit answer. I missed give numbering. Is my speed okay? कोई पीछे तो नहीं रहेगा ना? Even if you are not having, I have made you write all the data. How we are getting November 22 RTP exam. Very nice question. Combination of EOQ levels and discount policy and everything. Chalo. Now B is reorder level. Reorder level is maximum usage into maximum lead time. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना मटेरियल यूज होगा पर डे? मैक्सिमम यूजेज 50. And what is the maximum lead time? 9. 450 units kg, sorry, raw material. Reorder level is 450 units are there. Take a pause and listen to the meaning of this 2 minutes. 450 units are there in your godown. Maximum to maximum, how much you will use? 50 kgs per day. और लेट में लेट 9 days लगेंगे. आज तो जल्दी जाता है 5 दिन में, पर लेट में लेट 9 days. So 9 days maximum usage stock is how much? 50. This much stock is there to place order so that you never go out of stock. That is the logic. Chalo. Next we will take up now, dear students. The next one. Reorder level के बाद they have asked you maximum stock level. इसके ऊपर ही रहेगा. कभी भी maximum level will be above the reorder level. Ma'am, how to know that in exam? Here. Look at the screen. ये reorder level के ऊपर average, average के ऊपर maximum. मैक्सिमम इज द हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ स्टॉक, इसके ऊपर अभी खरीदना नहीं. रीऑर्डर मैक्सिमम लेवल इज रीऑर्डर लेवल प्लस रीऑर्डर क्वांटिटी माइनस minimum usage into minimum lead time. What is reorder level? 450. What is reorder quantity? 646. What is minimum usage? कम से कम ऊपर है ना आपके पास रेडी 30 और मिनिमम आने के लिए कितना दिन लगता है 5. So can we calculate 450 plus 646 minus 150. See, at 646 place the order, but at 946 kg stock 646 पे तो हमने ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया, सॉरी 450 kg पे, रियली सॉरी 450 kg पे कितना ऑर्डर खरीदना है? ऑलवेज EOQ 450 is the level at which we are placing order, reorder level. How much to purchase? 646. Maximum 946 godown में है तो stop the purchase. Third, D bit, minimum level, reorder level minus average consumption into average lead time. What is reorder level? 450 minus average consumption into average lead time. What is average consumption? 40. What is average lead time? 7 days. सब ऊपर डेटा है आपके पास. 450 minus 280. 170 kg गया मिनिमम. इट्स हाई टाइम. ट्रैक ऑन की ऑलरेडी जो प्लेस किया उसका क्या हुआ. And now average stock. Average stock in your material, dear students, many formula is given, but minimum level plus maximum level divide by 2. What is minimum? 170. What is maximum? 946 divide by 2. 558. Average stock. Now next bit I am going number of orders. कितने order place करोगे? नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स के लिए मैंने तो फॉर्मूला सिखाया है A/Q, पर नहीं समझ में आए तो लॉजिक से. A इज हाउ मच यूनिट्स यू वांट ईयरली 14,600 यूनिट्स. Q एट अ टाइम कितना खरीद रहे हैं? 646. 646 खरीदा, यूज हो गया, फिर खरीदा. दीज मेनी ऑर्डर्स. A is how much you want to buy. Q is at a time how much you are buying? 646. So how many times will you place the order? Order 22.6. ऐसे डेसिमल में नहीं होता तो 23 orders. 23 orders. G bit is total cost. तीनों. Add all the cost. Total cost. पहले तो परचेज का कॉस्ट. Purchase cost A into P. How many units you are buying? 14,600. Purchase price problem में दिया होगा, ये रहा. Purchase price is 100. तभी 100 का 1% हमने लिया ना. Yeah, are you all with me? स्पीड बरोबर है कि कहीं मैं फास्ट तो नहीं जा रही? आप लोग लिख रहे हैं? Tell me in the chat box, are you all able to write? Purchase cost is 14,600 units you are buying at the, yes, thank you, at 100. So 14,000 14,60,000 purchase. Now ordering cost. Ordering cost is A/Q into B. ये है ना आपके A/Q तैयार है. 23 orders और पर ऑर्डर का कॉस्ट कितना है? 200. 4,000 600. Now carrying cost. Q by 2. Whatever you buy, average stock will be there into C. Q by 2 by C. Q by 2 by C. कितना खरीदा आपने? Q by 2. And what is C per unit? 14. So anytime average stock will be there in your godown. Total cost. Cost of purchase plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. Nice bits, no? Ma'am, so many they will ask. May not be. But if they ask, RTP problems are not according to the weightage of final exam. They are like for practice. So they'll give you concepts. Now, H1. If the supplier is willing to offer 1% discount on the purchases of the total quantity in 2 orders, okay? Right now at EOQ, dear students, at EOQ, you are placing 23 orders. Instead of that, you just buy in bulk 2 orders and they will give you a discount of 1%. So with 1% discount, all this can we calculate? If 1% discount in purchase price 100, तो वो क्या हो जाएगी? 99. बराबर है? तो आपका कैरिंग कॉस्ट भी चेंज हो जाएगा. कैरिंग कॉस्ट इज 99 का 1% इंटू 12. ये रहा. प्लीज चेक विथ मी ऑन द स्क्रीन. ये रहा 100 का 1% into 12 plus 2 extra. That's the way they have asked us to calculate. So we are calculating. So it will change now. 99 ka 1% multiplied by 12 plus 2. 13.88 is the carrying cost. Ordering cost. Ordering cost per unit is the same 200, but अब दो ही orders हैं. दो ही orders हैं. Means what is your Q they are asking you? Reorder quantity. How much you have to buy annual? 14,600 divide by 2. 7,300 kg you are buying in 2 lots. Here you are buying in 23 lots. So now here can you calculate the cost? I made you do that table, but nahi time hai to directly we can go for the total cost. Purchase cost. Of course the purchase cost will reduce. 14,600 into 99. यहीं पे आपका परचेज प्राइस कम हो गया. 14,45,400. Ordering cost 2 orders and per order it is 200. 400. Carrying cost anytime 7,300 units will be there in your godown. Divide by 2. Q by 2. Those who feel no बार formula लिखना है. Q by 2 into C. What is Q? 7,300 you are buying. So divide by 2, average this much stock. And C, we will take the new one, 13.88. $50,662. Ma'am, here carrying cost is 4,522 only. Here, why more? Because you are buying bulk. Instead of 23 orders, 2 orders में पूरा साल का quantity you are buying. तो बढ़ेगा तो सही ना? Done. Keep little patience. थोड़ा बड़ा problem है but अच्छा है, and it's a challenge to do these level of the problems. Now, should we accept the discount offer, dear students? Yes or no? No. Conclusion. Discount offer. Discount offer should not be accepted. Discount offer should not be accepted as there is increase in stock. $1,496,462 minus 1,469 122. 27,340. Say the cost is increasing. So don't accept the discount offer. If the discount would have been huge, we might have accepted. Forget about the EOQ. And last one is crucial now. Until now, clear? Take a pause and go back. November 22 question. Maximum, minimum, average. ये तो हो गया. Annual consumption. Per day, how much is required and annual. EOQ. Then all levels we have calculated. Then number of orders. Then total cost, purchase cost plus ordering cost and carrying cost, or you can say associate cost, right? And then with discount. Now let us quickly go to the next one. Last one. If the answer is no, what should be the counter for you? How much would be the percentage of the discount given so that you will go for it? ठीक है, तो इतना डिस्काउंट दो कि आपका डिस्काउंट के साथ भी द इन्वेंट्री कॉस्ट शुड कम सेम, देन गो फॉर इट, right? Right now the inventory cost is, so this additional cost should be covered up. That much discount they can give. One second, dear students. Divide by cheese crossed. So this one is nice question. Now what we are solving, they are saying calculate if what percentage of the discount should be given so that they accept the discount offer. That is I bid. So let us assume let us assume the discount rate is D%. Just ऐसे D%. Okay? तो अगर आपको 1% डिस्काउंट दिए तो you rejected the offer. So how much discount should we give so that you accept the offer? Right? 1% diye, so you have rejected the offer. So how much discount they should give so that they accept the offer? So it is D%. Okay. Now, what will be your new price? Are you all with me? Use the data. New purchase price is 100 minus D%. जैसे अभी 100 minus 199 लिया. अब न्यू कैरिंग कॉस्ट चेंज हो रहा है ना. 100 minus D का 1% into 12 plus 2. New carrying cost. Okay, let us solve it. हंड्रेड माइनस डी अगर आपका प्राइस होगा उस पे 1% इंटू 12 एंड प्लस 2 इज ऑलरेडी देयर. ठीक है. So directly if you multiply this is coming to 12 and this is coming to minus 0.12D. Are you all getting? We'll open the brackets. So 100 ka 12% is 12 and D. So 0.12D and plus 2. So 0.12D को यहाँ ले लेंगे. This will become 14 and so D. One second. यहाँ तक तो clear है. New carrying cost will be 14 minus 0.20. We can't equate it because we don't know what is there on this side, but we know this much. ठीक है? Right. थोड़ा सा challenging है, but अच्छा problem है. Now let us take all cost of the material. Total cost के ingredient. Cost of material is A into P. What is A? 14,600. What is price? 100 minus D%. So that is correct. I'm just calculating all the bits. Little mathematical, but nice. 14 lakh 60,000 and minus 14,600 D. 14,600 D. This will be the cost of the material. Now, what is the ordering cost? This is a long way. There's a different way also, पर ये दोनों करेंगे. What will be the ordering cost? How many orders? Same. Abhi 2 orders में they gave you 1% discount. Now in the same orders, how much percent? So ordering cost is going to be same what you have calculated. 2 orders into 200, that is 400 rupees. ठीक है? And all this should be equal to your same total cost. Carrying cost. Carrying cost is Q by 2 multiplied by C. 14,600 by 2 and new C is given to you. ये रहा. 14 minus 0.12D. ये. So this is 7,300 into 14. $600 divided by, sorry, I'm taking Q wrong. 1 minute, 1 minute. How much they are asking you to maintain the Q here? Not A, Q you have to take 7,300. They are asking you to bind 2 lots and give the discount. So 7,300 divided by 2 into 14. Now it is coming correct. 51,100 minus 7,300 divided by 2 into 12%. So minus 438D. Anyone is having any doubt in writing? थोड़ा सा है मैथमेटिकल. अब ये तीनों को ऐड करके योर कॉस्ट शुड बी द ओल्ड वन. तो इतना डिस्काउंट इफ दे गिव, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ 23 orders you are ready to buy 2 orders also, right? So let us calculate all this put together. Total cost is equal to purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. What is the total cost? How much you want? Original wala 14,69,122. What is your new purchase price? 14,60,000 first bit minus 14,600D. Second bit. What is the ordering cost? 400. Third bit. What is the carrying cost? 51,100 minus 438D. Can we solve this? Yes. So 1469,122 minus 1460. एक बार इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 1469,122 रहने दो. 14,60,000 plus 400 plus 51,100. Correct आ रहा है? So that is coming to 15,11,500. And this is minus and minus, so plus, but फिर भी minus लिखेंगे. 14,600D plus 438. So this is coming to 15,000. मैम ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे, आ सकते हैं कभी, और इजी है तो फिर they will not ask you all the above things. Please don't get at checking the vastness of the RTP questions. Revision test paper is the purpose of giving you revision of EOQ level. So they will ask everything in the revision paper. Final में इतना तो नहीं आएगा सब. Now can we take this side? 15038D, and can we bring it here? 15,11,500 minus 14,69,122. 42,378. So D is equal to 2.82%. Instead of 1%, if you give me 2.82%, then chalo, I am ready to go. Instead of 23 orders, 2 orders. Conclusion. If 2.82% discount is offered instead of 1%, then 2 orders will be placed. फिर हम accept कर लेंगे. We will place the 2 orders. Nice. I know I took little time, but these are very good practice questions. 1 or 2, if they are easy, I will just check it orally. But abhi May 22, November 23, these are all good ones. Okay, when we are sitting more than 1 hour, it is necessary to take a break. थोड़ा हवा खा के आना, screen से, book से, offset, just 2 to 3 minutes, but it has to be 2 to 3 minutes. And keep your mobile in the next room. अगर कोई friend को बुरा लगता है कि आपने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया है, तो let them digest this that you are on a professional journey and you're not going to reply, because when you go into your study mode, after that when you check, you will surely revert. Once this impression takes time, but when it is built up, no, then it is super. ठीक है, चलो तो अभी हम let us do now May 23 and November 23 RTPs, and then we will go to the past exam papers. Yeah, this is also a nice question. The level of the question is good. Only these three topics will take time. Then it's going to be very easy and lot of repetition also. Yeah. Reliable Industries Private Limited. This is May 23 RTP. November and May 22 we have completed. Reliance India Private Limited is a startup company engaged in manufacturing, which is purchased at 190. Purchase price, company incurs handling cost and the freight. Okay. Freight and handling cost both are incurred. Okay. Incremental carrying cost of the inventory is 3 per kg per month. Okay. So you'll have to multiply it by 12 to get the answer. ठीक है. In addition, the cost of working capital is 20 per kg. तो वो भी ऐड हो जाएगा आपके कैरिंग कॉस्ट में. हाँ, इन्वेंट्री का कैरिंग कॉस्ट है और वर्किंग कैपिटल इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट इज आल्सो देयर, बट दिस इज पर एनम, so no need to multiply by 12, directly 20 we will add. And when you order, company incurs ordering, order करते वक्त you have to pay on road handling charges, carriage and freight. So this is all ordering cost. Annual production is 1,50,000 units and 3 units are obtained from 1 kg of the raw material. Yes, right. From 1 kg, 3 units are obtained. And 360 days are there in a year. I said, no, be careful. Nothing given, you can always take 365 days. So annual production of 150 units, 3 units are obtained from 1 kilo raw material में 3 units बनते हैं. So for 1,50,000 units, how much raw material is required? 50,000 kg is your A. Is the dialogue clear? What is your best friend, in C for costing, C for creativity, lot of creativity. You will see all the questions are same only, ma'am, but the way they print is different. इसको डबल करके इसको आधा करके प्रॉब्लम बना लो. इट्स नॉट बीकॉम स्टाइल कोचिंग. सो माइंडसेट इज क्लियर और नॉट. डेटा मे बी गिवन डिफरेंटली. दिस टाइम दे से 1 लाख यूनिट्स बनाना है आपको प्रोडक्शन. 3 units are made in 1 kg. So 1,50,000 will be made in 50,000 kg. That's what is raw material. Can we get the EOQ? Yes. How frequently you should place number of orders? A by Q. If the company proposes to rationalize placement of orders on quarterly basis, अभी तो आप number of orders दे रहे EOQ के हिसाब से, but अगर quarterly basis means 50,000 divided by 4, 12,500 is your Q. Then what will be the answer? And can you negotiate a percentage in the price of the raw material? See, this discount is different, and what we did in last problem is that was a discount when overall many things were given. Here straight they are saying ki EOQ to whatever will come will come, but instead of EOQ, if I want to buy 12,500 unit at a time, 4 ही order देना है मेरे को, तो how much discount I should give in the raw material price so as to justify? There already 1% discount and all was given, and carrying cost, that was a different problem. This is a different problem. Chalo, quickly in your notebook, write down May 2023 RTP. Done. Let us put all the data as we are always doing. Problem number 1. First, as I did, let us do the annual consumption. Huh? Chalo, this is simple. I'm going with a good speed. If you feel I'm going fast, let me know. Annual consumption. 1,50,000 units you have to manufacture. 3 units are produced in 1 kg of raw material. So 1,50,000 को कितना लगेगा? 50,000 kg of raw material. Now comes your ordering cost. That is O. Ordering cost. जब भी आप order देते हो 1470 handling cost or 770. This is per order. 1470 plus 770. So that is 2240 per order. Ordering cost. What is the carrying cost? Carrying cost. 3 rupees per kg. We want carrying cost per unit or per kg per annum. Always carrying cost is per kg per annum. So this is 3 rupees per month. So multiplied by 12 and additionally 20 per kg per annum to hai. So this is 56 per kg carrying cost. है ना? चलो EOQ करते हैं. Under root 2 AO by C. Annual consumption 50,000 O 2240 C 56. Units. You should order 2,000 units. Yes, that is your EOQ. That's your first bit. Sorry, they have asked bitwise, A-wise, जैसे पूछे. Now they have asked number of orders. Number of orders is A by Q. You need 50,000. Oh, sorry, this is not 2,000 units. This is 2,000 kg. 50,000 kg. And at a time, कितना order कर रहे हैं? 2,000 kg. So 50,000 divided by 2,000. 25 orders. 25 orders. ठीक है? Next, what they have asked? Discount policy. If Q quantity purchased is quarterly basis. Quarterly basis मतलब 50,000 units kgs आप खरीदो 4 बार में 12,500 kg. Right now how much it is? 2,000. अभी वो बोल रहे if you buy 12,500 तो how much additional discount? So पहले both जगह पे we will calculate the cost कितना हो रहा है and then we will go for the discount. So for this you can, they have given vertically, you can make a table also. The comparison of the associate cost. Abhi tak we don't know how much discount we should give in the purchase price. So right now, what is the associate cost? What is associate cost? Ordering cost plus carrying cost. What is ordering cost? Ordering cost is A by Q into O. Correct hai ya nahi? 50,000 units you want. At a time, 2,000 units you are buying. So 25 orders and per order ordering cost is 2240. 2240 into 25. 56,000 is your ordering cost. तो carrying cost भी उतना ही होगा. फिर भी what formula have I given for carrying cost? Q by 2 into C. If you buy 2,000 units, divide by 2. 1,000 unit is there in your godown. And what is the carrying cost per unit? Carrying cost per unit? 56. So 56,000. Take a pause and tell me, yesterday I started in the first 15 minutes, I said at EOQ, ordering cost and carrying cost are least and equal. So they are equal. 1,12,000. Now, associate cost at Q 12,500. अगर मैं 12,500 लूं तो मेरा associate cost कितना होगा? Ordering cost plus carrying cost, A by Q into O, Q by 2 into C. 50,000 divide by 12,500 means same 4 orders. 4 orders you are placing quarterly. तो कितना आ रहा है? 4 into 2240, 8960. And 12,500 units are there any time with you. Average stock will be divided by 2 and carrying cost is 56. You know, so many times, dear students, I've checked the test papers for the students, those who write booster exam, and the common mistake is the carrying cost is only wrong. तो बाकी पूरा problem wrong जाता है and you lose marks. 3,50,000, 358,960. If you buy EOQ, your associate cost is least. If you buy 12,500, your cost is increasing. Now, if this increase in cost is offset by discount, you can go for it. So, can I say discount should be offsetting increase in cost? What is the increase in cost? Just don't do calculation logically. Is it clear or not? अगर आप EOQ की जगह ज्यादा लेते हैं तो your associate cost is 358. Otherwise your associate cost is 1. So if this much cost is recovered in discount, you can go for 246,960 if you give the discount in the purchase price. Look at the question. 1 second, very important. So I'm sharing it. Look at this. If the company proposes to rationalize the placement of order on quarterly basis, determine the percentage of the discount in the price of raw material. कितना डिस्काउंट दोगे आप रॉ मटेरियल में कि आपका ये ऑफसेट हो जाए? तो आप यू विल गिव द डिस्काउंट. परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट इज discount equal to the increase in cost divided by purchase price into 100. So 246. One minute, a screen is giving trouble sometimes. 246,960 is the discount in the original purchase price. Purchase price कहीं दिया होगा आपने. कितने खरीदे हैं? 1,50,000 units. I think 190 is the purchase price printed in the first line of the problem. This is your purchase price. तो purchase price में कितना discount दोगे आप? 246,960. 150 into 190. Oh, sorry, 150 is the unit. 50,000 kg. Raw material is 50,000 kg into 190. So 95 lakhs into 100. 246,960 is the discount. Divide by 95 lakhs into 100. So if they are giving you 2.59 is 2.60% discount in the purchase price. So this discount, if they give in the purchase, your quarterly order का जो concept है, okay, forget about the EOQ 2000. We will buy 12,500. But ma'am, 12,500, your ordering and carrying cost will increase. Okay, that increase will offset by the discount. So how much discount you can expect in the purchase price? This much. Pucho. I want you all to take a pause 2 minutes. See, some of you may be feeling, ma'am, here you have worked out discount so quickly. In the last problem, we worked out discount with formula because there already 1% discount carrying cost was there. Or kitna discount chahiye, right? Here it is, direct discount on the purchase price they have asked. Yes, so that's all for May 23 exam paper. Let us take up now recent exam, November 23. November 23 के पेपर में nothing is there. They've just asked you to calculate all the levels which you already know it. 1 second. Yes. You know what I always say, dear students, some students are scared looking at even in accounts like cash flow statement and all. Sometimes very lengthy questions are there in the RTP. So they feel scared, ma'am, aisa aa gaya to nahi aayega. It is like RTP sometimes, you know, they stretch in the same question and give all the adjustments for practice. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा tough practice करो ना, क्या है? चलो. I think this we can check orally because now it's a repetition. Following details are related. Reorder level is given to you. What is reorder level? Oh, this is a super problem. Reorder level तैयारी दे दिया. Is maximum usage into the reorder level. Is maximum usage into the maximum lead time. Yes. Maximum usage into the maximum lead time. And average lead time is given, and difference between the minimum lead time and maximum lead time is given. जो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम का स्ट्रक्चर आई एम रिमेम्बरिंग दैट फ्लक्स मेथड एंड ऑल लेबर में है ना, either they will ask you to calculate that formula or most of the times the answer is given. This time reorder level is given. Until now, last 2 hours we were calculating reorder level is maximum usage into the maximum lead time. So maximum usage है 190 और reorder level भी है, तो we can get the lead time. So like this, fill in the blanks are there. Okay, check this. It's very easy, but the way you have to go is whatever data is given, put it in the notebook and get the fill in the blanks answer. Check it anytime. I don't want to dominate the class. If you feel no ma'am, please solve it in writing. Surely we will do. See, they said, dear students, minimum and maximum lead time mein there is a gap of 4 days. And average lead time is given. Average lead time is given in the question I'm writing for all of you. 6 days. Minimum plus maximum divided by 2 is the average. Yes. And minimum or maximum में कितना difference है? 4 days का. So if this is M, minimum is M. So maximum will be 4 plus M. Are you all with me? If minimum is M, maximum will be 4 plus M. Divide by 2 is average. Average is given. Minimum plus 4 plus minimum is equal to 12. So 2 minimum is equal to 8. So minimum is equal to 4 days. Minimum is 4. Minimum और maximum में कितने का फर्क है? 4 days का. तो maximum will be 8. Minimum will be 4 and average is 6. Is this okay for you? You can write as equation. Put me a message, all clear? Yes? Easy? So you got with average reverse work karke minimum and maximum. This language is so beautiful, dear students. So many chapters in overhead and all. This is X, that is 20 plus X. Like that they will give. If you feel no, you want to do in writing, please let me know. Now, next they have asked you maximum consumption per day. Reorder level is maximum days into maximum consumption. So reorder level is given. Reorder level आपको दे दिया है 1,60,000 units. Maximum days अभी हमने calculate किया 8 days. So maximum consumption can we calculate? It's coming to 20,000. Now next they have asked you minimum consumption. Minimum consumption. Maximum stock level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum into minimum. So minimum consumption. This is what you have to find. But बाकी सब है क्या? Yes. Maximum stock level 1,90,000 is given. Reorder level 160 is given. Reorder quantity is nothing but EOQ is given. 4 is given. Minimum lead time. So can we get the minimum consumption? Apply the formula and get it. Oh yeah. 5 marks question. Please tell me honestly, you feel I should do it in writing? Mindset is if you know the formula, you get the answer. And if you know the answer of the formula, can you apply it and get the reverse figure? ये सब जगह है. Reverse is like best to be worked in all the chapters of costing. Done till here. All the RTPs are over. Then we are going for the past exam papers and some more LIFO FIFO concept. Okay, listen to me. One thing. This is there everywhere. With the hours and hour per rate. Can you find Rowan and Halsey? Yes, ma'am. If they give Rowan and Halsey, if H hours is missing, can you find? Rate is missing, can you find? Yes. Standard variance minus the actual cost is the variance. Sometimes variance only they will give. Can you find? Flux method. This divide by average number of employees. Sometimes answer is only given. So I hope this problem is clear. Now let us take the past exam papers. Let us start that also from May 22. May 22 exam. I am sharing it on the screen. Is the flow clear how we are going? Yes. May and November 4 RTPs we have solved. Now 3 question paper. November का तो आप लिखोगे. 1 second. Yes. Usually raw material is there in the question number 1. If not, it will be there. देख लेंगे कहाँ है क्या है. ये देखो. This is May 22 exam paper. May 22 का final paper. Hope so we should be able to solve everything here. A toy company purchases its requirement for S Limited at 120 per kg. Okay. 120 per kg mein they are buying the raw material. And company incurs handling cost of 400 and 300. That is your 750 is your ordering cost or C. Carrying cost is 0.50 per kg per month multiplied by 12 and in addition 50. Just now we did. Now you should get that feeling ki ma'am, everything is a repetition. Annual production of the toys is 60 units and 5 units are produced from 1 kg of raw material, 5 units. So 60,000 units banane ke liye, how much? 12,000 kg of raw material. Correct है 12,000 kg of raw material. 750 is the ordering cost. Carrying cost भी calculate कर लो. You can also do orally like this. 0.25 into 12 plus 15, 18. Carrying cost is 18. And raw material required is A is equal to 12,000 kg. EOQ. EOQ यहीं कर लेते हैं. 12,000. 2 into 12,000 A into 750 divide by 18. करो. 2 into 12,000 into 750 divide by 18. 1000 kg is the EOQ. Now, how frequently the company should order for procurement? How frequently means the number of orders. How much material you want to buy? A by Q, 12,000. Or at a time कितना खरीदे हो? 1,000. So 12 orders. Per order, 1 month. Every 1 month you will place one order. Yes. Calculate the total ordering cost and inventory carrying cost at the EOQ. वो तो और easy है. EOQ पे आपको ordering cost पूछा है. Ordering cost plus carrying cost. So ordering cost is A by Q into O. 12 orders और per order का cost कितना है? 750. And what is the ordering cost? Are you all okay if we are doing like this? 12 into, but you do it in writing with me. I've sent you all the PDFs. You should have the hard copies with you, dear students. और वो अच्छा भी रहता है. When RTPs are there, कभी थक भी जाए तो एक आधा question, we can stretch ourselves. Not always on the soft copy and systems we should rely. What is carrying cost? Q by 2 into C. Average 500 units will be there into 18. 500 units into 18. Oh, ma'am, proved that at EOQ ordering and carrying cost is 9,000 equal also, and least that is 18,000. Both. Is this way okay, or you still want to do in writing? It will take 5 minutes. वैसे भी यहाँ लिख के लग रहे नोटबुक में और 5 minutes लगे. But this time now revision है ना, तो focus. All clear? This is May 22 exams paper and all clear. See below that labor also same kind of the problem. Answer only they have given for flux and all the methods which we are going to do tomorrow. Yes? November 22 exam paper. November 22. Yeah, this is the November 22 paper, but इसमें first question नहीं है material का, but definitely it's always there in the first one only. Yeah, C bit. See, we should be able to solve it. That's why I'm doing it there itself. If you feel no, we should do it in writing, please tell me. It will take just 5 minutes extra. बिल्कुल हो जाएगा. MM Limited uses 7,500 walls per month, which is purchased at a price of 150. So this is purchase price. The carrying cost is 20% on annual basis. So carrying cost 1.5 ka 20%. Carrying cost is equal to 0.30. It takes a period of 1.5 months to receive a delivery from placing the order. Lead time मतलब आने में कितना टाइम लगता है. एंड सेफ्टी स्टॉक 3200 तो हमेशा हमारे पास रहते हैं. ओके. Ordering cost is given to you as 50. So, and 7,500 walls are, see, there is always a googly of per month and 12. So 7,500 into 12, this will be your A. Are you all comfortable? This gives you confidence. बहुत सम किए ना, देख के, अब बिना देखे करो कि कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है या नहीं. 90,000 A. Can we do EOQ is equal to under root 2 A O divide by C. 2AO or 2AB. 3,000. 3,000. Yes. 3,000 is your EOQ. Done. We got the answer. What is going to be your reorder quantity? Or you can say reorder point. कब reorder करोगे आप? So always the formula is maximum usage into maximum lead time plus safety stock if any. Ma'am, this what is this? See, maximum usage into maximum lead time, ये तो reorder level या reorder point है. But safety stock is इतना extra stock रखते हैं कभी कुछ और कम ज्यादा हुआ तो, like that. Yes. So how much is the maximum usage? Maximum usage is 7,500 per month. Per month. Otherwise usage is per day. 360 से divide किए तो. और maximum lead time भी month में दिया है 1.5 plus आपका safety stock. कितना आ रहा है देखो. 7,500 into 1.5 plus 3,200. 14,450 units are there in the godown. Place the order. Place the order. 7,500 into 1.5 plus 3,200. Economic order quantity if the wall value cost 450. Okay, अभी 150 है. अब अगर 450 हो गया तो आपका C चेंज हो जाएगा ना. C will be 4.5 का 20%. Yes, your C will change then to 0.90. And then EOQ will be 2 into 90,000 into 15 divide by 0 or 90. देखो, carrying cost is same. सिर्फ ordering cost is same. Why the carrying cost changed? Because it is percentage of purchase price. 1733 units you will purchase. 1733 units. Okay. This 7,500 is for per month. So then I have taken the lead time. It's also given in months. Ma'am, if they give lead time in days, it takes 30 days. So then 7,500 को divide करके days में लेके आओ. Take your time, 2 minutes, pause please. Make sure you take a very good breakfast because we are stretching almost to 2.5 hours, if required 3 hours. Of course, with a break. I did give a break, but उसमें खाना तो नहीं होगा. Is it okay? अच्छा, थोड़ा heavy breakfast कर लो and immediately after the morning class, you can have your lunch. Done. So this is all about the November 22 exam paper. I think enough all the past exams. Earlier, अगर आप देखोगे तो they are the repetitions of all the quantity and ratios of inventory and all. Okay. So few things I want to check up now. If they give you the problems for FIFO LIFO, I'm giving you some FIFO LIFO यहाँ आता है मैम. देखो हमने क्या क्या सीखा. EOQ. What else we have studied? Reorder levels. What else? Purchase cost. Purchase में क्या add करना है, क्या छोड़ना है. Okay, and then we have solved the combined problems. FIFO LIFO is definitely asked in exam for 2 to 3 marks as a combination with other chapters. Yes, but when you buy the material, you need to store. So what is FIFO? Whatever comes first goes first. What is LIFO? LIFO is not there practically, but here it is there. So जो last आता है उसको पहले issue कर देते हैं. You know how we do it in supermarkets and all. We pick up the bread packet from inside because वो आज का stock है. कल का भी अभी है, expiry date बाकी है. So last one is picked up first. And averages, whatever is different purchases at different rate, you add the total cost of purchase, divide by total quantity, and average rate you issue for production. So when you issue it at average rate, it is neither the rate of purchase for the first time nor the rate of purchase for second time. So in all these methods, you need to take care of few items. Okay. So those pointers I'm just sharing, and then check the study material problem in 10-15 minutes. You will get it. कि कैसे उसको solve करना है. Right. So now we are going for the exclusive part जो कभी आता है but आता है. After this I'll take one stock out problem. कभी पूछेंगे लेकिन पूछते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, this I'm doing from my material because ये सब theory है आपके पास और वहाँ भी है आपके. It's there in the institute study material if you're not having this material. Yeah, what are the documents to be prepared? What is just in time purchase? ये भी आपको theory question आता है. Just in time purchase is just purchase when it is required. But when you are sure that your dealer will send you as and when you call, there is not going to be shortage. Sir, आपने अभी order दिया, अभी तो हमारे पास ही नहीं है, and all that. Okay. So just in line, I'm reading now the left out things, and then I'll take the stock out problem also. That's very nice. Which document is prepared by what you should know? Right. EOQ assumptions we have seen. Can we say EOQ and ROQ is same? Yes, but sometimes it may not be same. When it's seasonal business purchases, तो फिर EOQ को छोड़ देते हैं. Levels of stock I have already taught with the significance. Yeah. ABC analysis. ABC analysis, this is a type. You know, take a pause. Now, what I'm explaining in 5-10 minutes, listen. ये short note में आते हैं. All these are the questions asked in short note. Okay, ma'am, you taught ki EOQ ही खरीदना. Now, let us take an example of a manufacturer who is manufacturing from leather sheets, shoes. ठीक है? तो leather sheets are very costly. For that, he will check the reorder level कि कितने के बाद मैं leather sheet मंगाऊं, कितना quantity खरीदूं, EOQ. But with leather sheets, he needs adhesive, he needs stapler pins, he needs gum. That is all small material. How do you say, ma'am, this is small? Small material might be more in quantity. In a box, there may be 1,000 stapler pins, but that is costing 100 rupees. One leather sheet is costing 5,000. So quantity is low, value is high. Here, so tell me, even for stapler pins and your other material and all, will you follow EOQ reorder levels? नहीं कितने pins use हुए? 5. तो 5 खरीद and all. Answer is no. So there are few items for which you will use all the techniques. So can we grade all our raw material direct, indirectly into A, B, C? A is that category of the raw material which is high in value, low in quantity. Yes. B is okay. C is which is high in quantity and very low in value. तो सी वाले को साल में एक बार देख लो कबर्ड में कि 4-5 स्टेपलर पिन्स के बॉक्स हैं एक्स्ट्रा पड़े हैं. डन. Followed or not what I am saying? Yeah. A grade, that is your leather sheets, pay full attention. This is ABC analysis. Like this, you have more type of analysis also. हर जगह ये आपको काफी जगह पे पूछते हैं. Value based and essential and all that I have just put it all. 1 second. Write a short note on ABC analysis. What you should write in exam? This. ABC is a form of inventory control technique. Okay. It is used where nuts, bolts, all वो कम importance है तो छोड़ दो. Main important item को पूरे control techniques आप लगा दो. Right? Okay. So categorize these items divided into 3 categories. A category, highly important. 70% value, maybe 10% quantity. Constant and strict control through budget, ratios, stock levels, EOQ, सब लगाओ इनको. 20% need based, periodic review, just 1-2 महीने में. And total value less than 10% but quantity ज़्यादा है, little control. Overall देख लो, ठीक है. So ABC analysis, the advantage is it ensures minimum investment will be made in inventory without any danger. And so you are trying to manage and control your inventory levels. Yes, your inventory levels you are trying to control and manage, especially for the A wala. उसके लिए पूरे control techniques आप लगाओगे. Yes, cost saving it is because you are doing management by exception and standardization of the work. With the introduction of ABC, much of the work with purchases can be gone into systematic routine. Okay, every week let us apply the EOQ level, check करते रहो. हफ्ते में एक बार, 10 दिन में एक बार. और जो C grade items है 6 महीने में एक बार थोड़ा ऊपर से देख लेना है या नहीं. Enough. Yes. See this if you go to restaurants and all, their few items are like daily refilled, vegetables and paneer and milk and all. Few items like salt packets and onions and something, rava maida, which they buy in bulk and give. Just reminding the same. So this is where people practically apply this technique. Similar to this technique is your fast, slow moving and non-moving inventory. What is fast inventory? Which is, soon moving. Items are placed near to the store issue point. Fast moving item जो बहुत demand में है, तो उसको issue करना है. Slow moving items, they are reviewed कि why they are slow moving. Can we give some scheme? कि if you buy instead of 1 fast going item, if you buy 5 fast going item, 1 slow moving item free. देखो malls में कैसे बनते हैं, buy 2 get 1. Buy 2 get 1 is all for old stock. So I thought of buying 1 t-shirt, but if I pay for one more third one, so instead of one I am buying 1 extra. No, these are all control technique, dear students. And non-moving items we can either dispose of or scrap it or give it as complimentary offer or as sample. So some of the reason of the slow moving item is failure of production management to communicate update requirement, टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपग्रेडेशन, मोबाइल फोन्स. जैसे जैसे नया मॉडल आएगा आईफोन 10, 11, 12, 13, the older one will become non moving. Lack of the periodical reviews. तो कभी कभी if you don't check your stock, the items may be piled up. जो नया आ रहा है वो जो डिमांड में वो आते जा रहा जाते जा रहा, and that stock is lying. So you have to check that also sometimes. So these are all inbuilt in the policies. Ye inventory turnover ratio, average inventory consumed, all this you will calculate for your A category of item. This is the third type added now, but very important expected theory question. Write a short note for 5 marks in the last question. Vital, essential, desirable. What is the vital item? Huh? Vital item is so important ingredient ki without that the production will stop. If you don't have maida, you cannot make bread. If you don't have leather sheets, the production will stop. But suppose if you don't have beads and soles, chalo shoes to bana ke rakho tab tak. Kaam to chal raha hai. Essential items are essential, but they are not that vital. So unavailability may cause substandard or loss of efficiency and all, but काम तो चलेगा. Desirable items are optional. If they are there, they are like add-ons. नहीं है तो उनके बिना चला लेंगे. Followed or not. Okay. So this is also essential. This is mainly followed in hospitals. See, they have given the example. Stock of medicines and all. If you see hospital के अंदर जो medicine की दुकान है, तो अभी now recent example is, there was a viral in the city that everyone was having conjunctivitis. So I went to a nearby medical store and he said on the counter only I have kept the drops because everyone is coming and buying drops. जो ड्रॉप्स महीने में एक बॉटल बिकते थे वो दिन के 10 बॉटल बिक रहे. So this is the best example we can give कि if you see in hospital vital, what will be the vital item for pharmaceuticals and all medicines? Yeah. What is essential? Bandage, diapers and all. है तो बहुत अच्छा है. If you have bandage and mask and cotton, I don't have to go outside. Along with medicine, because patient comes over there, तो वो भी ले लेंगे. 3 is desirable. Biscuit, chocolates, juices. You are selling medicine, but if you keep biscuit, chocolates, the inpatient will not go out. They will buy that also from you. Clear to all of you or not? So vital, essential and desirable. Dear students, it takes patience for me to explain and for you also to listen to this. Many students will stop the video कि हाँ बस मेन तो हो गया. तो marks नहीं मिलते ना, फिर result वही है. Ma'am, I got 184 marks when I got 186 marks. I told you only 2 classes. Yesterday I went so slow to explain the EOQ, discount add less. But now without this also we can't go. है ना? Right, chalo. High cost, medium cost, low cost. Pay attention. High cost, medium cost, low cost. Under this, inventory is classified like ABC only. But in ABC, with cost, we take care of the percentage and quantity also. Okay. Here, high cost inventory are given more priority. All control techniques, EOQ, levels of stop की नजर वहीं पे है. Right? Okay. And then the medium and low cost item, you can check it. So this is just the way. Huh? Now, when you do the valuation of inventory, is the FIFO LIFO all clear to you? Can I go in brief? FIFO LIFO के जब problem solve करते हैं ऐसे problem, तो you make triple column. वो ट्रिपल कॉलम कैसे बनाएंगे? रिसीट, रिसीट, पर्टिकुलर्स, रिसीट, इशू एंड बैलेंस. एंड रिसीट इशू में भी 3 कॉलम, क्वांटिटी, रेट, अमाउंट. क्वांटिटी, रेट, अमाउंट. बैलेंस में भी क्वांटिटी, रेट, अमाउंट. आर यू ऑल विथ मी? एंड नाउ इफ आई परचेज, यहां लिखो. अगेन इफ आई परचेज, यहां लिखो. एंड क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. If I sell, यहाँ लिखो. But if I sell or issue for production, write it in issue. If it is first in first out, this. If it is last in first out, this. If it is average, then total purchase cost divided by total quantity. कर लो per unit. That easy. मैम ये छोड़ के जाएं, क्यों छोड़ के जाना है? AS2 में किए, accounts में, foundation में we have done all this. Advantage, disadvantage, just give a reading. You all have this. Points to remember. These I have made it by at least solving more than 30 questions. तो अब ध्यान से सुनो ये क्या है. Purchase return should be recorded at original cost. I purchased at 7. I purchased, in this I am doing almost 7-8 questions. तो ध्यान से सुनना. I purchased at 7. I purchased at 8. I purchased at 9. Now, if I am following first in first out method, which rate I will issue? 7. जो पहले आया है पहले जाओ. But 9 material I want to return. So I will return at 7 or 9 rate, 9 rate. Purchase return should be recorded at original cost. Jo rate say you have purchased, that rate you return the goods. That's the point. Issue to the production house should be recorded according to the method followed. FIFO, LIFO, weighted average. Return from the production to shop floor should be recorded at the latest issue price, irrespective of the method followed, and then they are again reissued first. Super duper point. I got 7, मैंने 7 इशू किया, फिर मैंने 8 इशू किया, फिर मैंने 9 प्रोडक्शन के लिए भेज दिया. हाँ, अभी आउट ऑफ दिस सम 10 kgs प्रोडक्शन से वापस आया. It came back in the godown. So I should record it in the purchase column. At what rate I should record it in the receipt column or the purchase column? 9 rupees. But ma'am, this might have been issued at 7, 8. It's okay. When you receive back from the production, obviously it's going to be the latest material. देखो 7 को मैंने production के लिए भेजा, use okay, finish goods. 8 I send used. 9 I send, 9 में some units were extra. They returned. So whenever there is return from the production to the storeroom, receipt column, you record it at latest issue rate and then reissue this first. Ma'am, but I am following FIFO. I am following, forget what method you are following. You reissue this first. It's a challenge the way I am explaining. Are you following? Then it's a challenge for me that I have done some good work. If I start solving LIFO, FIFO problems, it will take one more extra time. But if you leave completely, you have lost marks. So why don't we utilize the time and check it in brief like this? If not clear, ask me, ma'am, can you repeat? I'll repeat. No entry should be recorded for transfer from one job to another. Acha. One job to another, I have already issued the from storeroom to production for job K. But L requires, so K ne L ko de diya. It has not come back in the godown, no? No entry. No entry. Normal shortage is absorbed by good units. Yes. 100 units are there at 1000. But 10 units का shortage हो गया. जब physically I counted, only 90 kgs is there. 10 units are there damaged or destroyed or evaporated या चूहे खा गए. कुछ तो हो गया. So 90 kgs and 1000. Yes. Abnormal shortage in stock should be recorded in issue column at the latest issue price. Suppose this 10 kg is abnormal. Can I issue it in the issue column at the latest issue price? 9 rupees. As if I'm sending it for production, but actually I'm not sending it to production. It is abnormal loss. It's going to costing P&L. Jaane do. So these points you remember. FIFO, LIFO. You want to take a screenshot of this point, take it. I think most of you attending now have this material. As I've given you the regular batch, all complimentary lectures. तो ये है आपके पास. Done? नहीं तो थोड़ा सा I'll make it neat. आप ले लो और रखो अपने पास ये. Problems also I'm solving in sequence only. पहले 4 RTP और फिर question papers. Okay. So that's all about FIFO and simple average and weighted average. This we have already done. Can we brief up? Trade discount is deducted from purchase. Quantity discount is shown from invoice. Cash discount is not deducted. Subsidy received बिल्कुल deduct होगी. कभी कभी हम कुछ item खरीदते हैं, say handloom and all, so they give subsidy, so it's deducted. Grant subsidy. Toll and all added, included. GST ITC available है तो exclude कर दो. Demurrage charges are not taken. Detention charges are fine and all. Don't take it. Penalty, don't take it. Insurance charges, of course, add. Commission, of course, add. Freight inward, add. Cost of the containers. Cost of the containers. Non-returnable है तो add कर दो because we are already paying. Returnable है तो difference. Shortage. Normal है तो it's absorbed by good units. Abnormal है तो transfer it to costing P&L. All these ratios and all we have already checked. And now last, some theory questions they are asking. Stock control methods. For that, this stock out problem I'm taking 2 minutes. Let us check up now this theory question which is coming many times. What is bin cards, store control card and stores ledger? So stores ledger is which is giving you the quantity, rate, amount detail. Just now I discussed with all of you dear students. Stores ledger. You can maintain the ledger in the system. Nowadays it's all in the system. और मैनुअल जैसे हम एग्जाम में बनाते हैं ना, receipt, quantity, rate, amount, issue, quantity, rate, amount, balance, quantity, rate, amount, है ना, right? And then bin cards. What are bin cards? Bin cards are the tags which are put up where you have put your stock. अब एक बॉक्स है या एक wardrobe है या एक one cylinder is there, inside all your raw material is there. So when you remove 20, you do minus 20. When you put 50, so it's like a bin card. So there the card attached to the stock is bin card. And what is stock control card? Stock control cards are the cards placed outside the storeroom. One person is there. From inside you want to take up the B grade item, वहां उसका जो स्टॉक कंट्रोल कार्ड है वहां पे लिखो बी का कार्ड निकालो, -2 issued this date, this department. So the cards are kept outside, but in these two you don't have the rate and amount detail, वो missing है. ये जो rate और amount detail है ना, ये आपको यहीं मिलेगा. So they are asking you what is bin card, what is stores control card, what is stores ledger card. This just read it, you will get it, and we are connected through the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is the meaning clear? Like bin cards are giving only the quantity details. This is giving quantity also and all other details also, issued and all. These are kept attached to the bins. These stock control cards are kept in trays outside the bin. So like this, distinguish between bin card, stores ledger is asked. Okay, right? Perpetual inventory records. So these are all perpetual. Matlab you are maintaining your stock either through bin cards or stock control card or stock ledgers. Continuous stock taking is continuously checking your stock. This is done in malls, dear students. When you go to supermarket and all, do you see someone is continuously having the list in the hand and checking? एक तो इतने brand के shampoo, and in every brand you have anti-dandruff and anti-hair fall and all. Acha, in that also you have sizes 500 ml, 50 ml, right? So all this is continuously being checked. So what are the benefits and all? Yeah. Now I'm going to the question which is asked, come but aata hai kabhi kabhi. What is the treatment of wastage of raw material? So now for everything they have the same answer. If it is normal wastage, have we done problems in the last 2 days? 1000 units are purchased, 200 units are normal wastage. Today morning problem. Huh? So it is absorbed in good units. If it is abnormal, it is transferred to costing P&L. If that is through, because of some department and all, charge it to that. That's what they have answered. Scrap. Scrap means the raw material का जो भी residual and all जो manufacturing है, like from groundnut you are making peanuts oil, तो ना oil cake निकलता है. Oil cake is like scrap. Okay, right. Material spoilage. Material spoilage, same, normal, abnormal. Defective work, this I feel is most important. Mark it in your material, study and go. Defective items are finished goods but not up to the mark. Say you are manufacturing utensils, कहीं पे bend है, कहीं पे edge थोड़ा ऊपर है, the lid is not closing, something. So either it can be further processed and brought to normal, or it can be sold. So now defective can be charged to good units if it is normal. It can be charged to the jobs या department जिसके कारण वो defective हुआ है. It can be charged as overhead, factory overhead and all. It can be charged to jobs, it can be charged to that department, and if it is abnormal, it can be charged to costing P&L. Okay, right. Slow moving item and non moving item. Last, now before we close, stock out concept. Now what is stock out? Ma'am, you taught us today in the morning maximum level of stock, average level, reorder level, minimum. कम से कम इतना स्टॉक तो रखना है and all. Sometimes stock out is the demand is more and you're not having. So what is going to be the cost of that? Can we manage that stock out? Yes. Stock out concept समझा? That's the, even if you have buffer safety stock 1300, but if the demand is 1500, 200 units, you have stock out. तो उसका cost तो लगेगा. So for that, one study material problem is there, and once in exam they have asked. Now you can say, ma'am, इसको छोड़ दें तो भी चलेगा. What do I say? देख लो, it's very easy. You won't then leave it. Are you able to see the study material? Stock out is there with all the very nice explanation. Also, it is given. Stock out problem. After all the level problems today morning, yeah, this is it. Stock out is when, and it's there in my material also, this problem and all, could not be supplied due to stock out matlab we could not supply to production. Stock out cost to entity not only in financial terms but non-financial. Due to stock out, an entity, see, your people are waiting for the material, तो आपका जो idle cost भी तो लग जाता है ना, and you may not be able to fulfill the production and sales target. Yeah, so there is a loss due to stock out. And तो फिर उसका रास्ता क्या है? Maintain good inventory. But if you maintain a very heavy inventory, you are incurring the storage cost, interest cost. So can we have an equilibrium? Yes, that's why we have studied all the levels and all, dear students. IPL limited user casting. Castings are purchased 54,000 at a cost of 800. A है ये आपका. Company estimates 9,000 as the ordering cost, O or C or whatever you want to say, and about 300 to carry one casting. This is the carrying cost. High carrying cost is there. Now delivery takes 6 days, but it can take 10 days. The percentage is given to you. 75% chance you will get delivery in 6 days. 10% chance you will get it in 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days. ये हो गया 100%. So minimum, what are the number of days to get delivery? 6 days. Maximum 10 days. First they have asked you EOQ. पहले क्या पूछा है आपको? EOQ पूछ लिया है. Compute the EOQ. Okay, so that you can do EOQ 54,000 and all is given 1800. Now next is, assume company is willing to assume a 15% risk out. What would be the safety stock and the reorder point? So 15% stock out means 85% chance कि it will come, percentage of occurrence. 15% तो risk है कि आप stock out हो जाओगे, तो 85% है that you will get it on time. So that is how much? 7 days. Okay, 7 days. So now your annual demand is 54,000 divided by 360 days. Your per day requirement करके देखो कितना आ रहा है? 54,000 divided by 360. 150 rupees, 150 units you need per day. And normally your inventory comes in 6 days, but It could be late by 1 day, 7 days. तो एक दिन का एक्स्ट्रा स्टॉक पकड़ के चलो into 7, 1050. Normally your reorder time is average lead time into average consumption. 150 units are consumed और average तो 6 दिन में आ जाता है. पर अगर late भी हुआ, 1 day late, how did you decide, dear students, 1 day late? Because they said stock out is 15%. So 85%. So this is 1050. Clear? Is my explanation clear or not? 150 is your safety stock. एक दिन का stock buffer रखो ना. और routine में 900 units तो रोज लगते ही हैं. अब 5% मतलब 95% टाइम पे आ रहा है. अब 95% टाइम पे आ रहा है 85, 99 मतलब 9 days. 9 days. तो 9 days. 6 days is the minimum. 150 per unit. This is the minimum. 900 units. 6 की जगह 9 दिन लग सकते हैं. तो you keep a safety stock of 3 days. 150 into 3. The way they write, I feel this explanation is clear. Every day you need 150 units and 6 days में you get. But 95% अगर आप सोचते हो कि टाइम पे आ जाएगा तो 5% तो रिस्क है ना. So 3 days you keep buffer because instead of 6 days it might take 9 days. So 1350 castings. Done. Same way you get it at 5%. Now at 5% they have asked you to calculate the ordering and carrying cost. We all know normally what is ordering cost? 54,000 units you need and you are ordering EOQ 1800. So this will give you number of orders multiplied by ordering cost. Carrying cost. Carrying cost is at 1350 units in your godown anytime. One 1350 units are there in your godown. 1350 into 300. 4,05,000. अब मैम ये सब क्या है? ये देखो ध्यान से सुनो. At 5% they are asking you to calculate carrying cost. So at 5% we know it might take 9 days, 3 days extra. So 450 units to extra hi hai. And how much you are getting? Q by 2. Always in your godown 1800 by 2. Q by 2 stock is there 900 units. And otherwise also 150 into 6, 900 units. But 450 units you are keeping extra because it might take instead of 6 days, 9 days. 5% stock out ke saath. 4,05,000 is your stock. Clear? Okay, new EOQ they have asked just in time purchase, I have told you. Whenever demand comes, you order it. This ABC and all. One last 2 minutes. I know 3 hours अगर आप costing को दे रहे हो तो evening you have to study other subjects also. But one more just talk out